military.
Yeah, look how muscular.
Look at
Dookie
Dookie.
Look at that man. No wonder my dad wants me to beat him.
Dude could like cage fight people in the snow
Yeah,
right now.
Can I pay you to teach me how to fight?
Sure.
Great.
Sure.
I got like $2 in here.
The actual freaking loot.
What about my license? What about a family photo?
Wait, is it a 21 or up?
Well, $10 cover for 3 weeks.
Yeah, I know, Cole.
Jason, you have a hat on.
You want to make it really hard?
Is everybody out here?
Stone on that hat, 'cause it looks ridiculous.
Doran and Ben aren't out here yet.
I regretted it.
What are they doing?
There you go. That's
Some little tiny babies.
Little tiny
Watch
baby.
us set Ben's dad on fire.
If he hasn't caught on fire yet, he's not tonight.
He's on fire.
Yeah.
Snappers.
Weak.
Those are the good ones.
Those are some weak ass. Throw them up as high as you
What's wrong with those M50s we were using?
No.
No, M80s? Not even close. This thing blew a bottle apart.
Hey, listen.
Remember?
Awesome. Yeah.
Tore cans open, blew bottles off.
They're not even doing anything yet. Don't get
Those
salty
are like
with me.
explosive stuff.
No shoes on and
Getting
everything.
salty, Jason.
Awesome.
Oh,
This is exactly
Yeah!
my way.
See, we're getting the hype built.
Hype.
This is just making me hypey.
Hype, boys.
GG big hype.
Fucking decent,
They're
boys.
already better
That's like
than
4th of July,
Tampa
but
Lake
with the cold, I got
fireworks.
freaking shoes on.
It's a what?
People's legs.
No, that's. You're sitting on the side.
I know, I wanted to. I felt bad because I was in front of everyone.
I got here other ones. We got competition. We got competition.
And I feel bad.
But I'm
Bacon. No.
I'm too fat. I'll break his
No,
toe.
you won't.
Yeah, I regret it actually.
He loves you.
I love you too, Doran.
Chase, you're fine.
I feel bad. I don't want to be in people's way.
Come on.
Have to live a day without you.
It ain't a party until someone does whip it.
To what?
Whip it.
Hey, they're over that way.
Oh, you got the big boy.
Ours are better.
No, no, it's pretty small.
Yeah, we got a big,
You'd be surprised.
juicy box.
Like right
A big juicy
Fireworks
box.
are not
Yeah.
juicy. They are exploding.
Juicy equals explosion.
Exploding, God fucking damn.
Hey, this is on video for my grandmother.
The Starburst
Bullshit.
commercials.
Just kidding.
For my grandmother.
You'll be really old.
This goes right off into Brian's face.
Held me this close.
Whoops.
Such a great person.
I don't know.
All right, look at this. It's gonna be juicy.
Back out.
Hit it.
Boom. Hallelujah!
Woo! Woo!
This is how we do it.
Yeah.
Those are good fireworks.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Deja vu.
We won! We definitely beat you!
Yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna